2 minus 8 times 6 divided by 5. All right. Some people do this. 2 minus 8 is going to give us minus 6 times 6 divided by 5. Now they still go ahead to do minus 6 times 6. This will give us minus 36 divided by what? 5. Minus 36 divided by 5 is going to give us minus 7.2. All right, but this answer is not correct. According to PEMDAS, our answer will not be minus 7.2. So therefore, PEMDAS says that we should do multiplication first because we have one division, one multiplication, and one subtraction. So according to PEMDAS, we are doing multiplication first. All right. So if we do this multiplication first, we are going to have 2 minus 8 times, 2 minus 8 times 6. 8 times 6 will give us 48 divided by what? 5. All right. Now we have division and a subtraction. So what we are going to do is next is division. This 48 divided by 5, we can write it again as 48 in a fraction form divided by 5. Bring this minus down and put your 2. Let's write this 2 in a fraction form as well, which is 2 over 1 minus 48 over what? 5. Now guys, we are going to use butterfly method to solve this. Draw this sign here like this. So 1 times 48 will give us 48. Draw this other butterflies. Don't mind my butterfly, it's very rough. 5 times 2 will give us 10. Then draw the body. So here is multiplication. 1 times 5 is equal to what? 5. All right, guys. 10 minus 48 will give us negative 38 over this 5 here. Okay. So now we have gotten a fraction answer. Okay. That answer is an improper fraction. So let's see if we can get a mixed fraction from the answer too. So minus 38 over 5. Okay, let me just do it here. So 5 will go into 38 how many times? It will go 7 times, which is 7. 7 remainder what? It will go 7 times, remainder I think it's 3. So here will be 3 over what? 5. Okay, so put the negative sign here. So we add our negative sign. All right, so now we have a mixed fraction answer, a mixed fraction, an improper fraction. So guys, let's see if we can get a decimal answer. So if we draw our decimal line here, okay, put our minus 35, 38 over 5, divided by 5. Now, 5 will go into 38. How many times? I think it's 7. 7 times 5 is going to give us 35, which is 35. So if we subtract, so guys, I want to remove the negative sign first. So after the whole calculation, after everything, we'll put our negative sign in the answer to make it easier for us, okay? So when we subtract this, we are going to have what? 38 minus 35 is going to give us 3, all right? Here will give us 3. Now, 5 cannot divide 3, so we'll put a point here and add 0 to this 3. Now, 5 will go into this 30 how many times? 6 times. Put your 6 here. Now, 6 times 5 is 30. We subtract, we're going to have 0. So our answer for the decimal is 7.6. So we can now put our negative sign here. So guys, for this question, we have 3 answers. So this is for the decimal answer, while this is for the mixed improper fraction, while this is for the what? Mixed fraction. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye.